What zone is Tennessee for planting? The U.S. Department of Agriculture has divided the United States and southern Canada into 11 zones for plant hardiness, which indicates what plants can survive the winter in a given area. Tennessee is in zones 6 and 7. Considerations. Each hardiness zone represents a 10-degree difference in average minimum temperature. Zones 2 through 10 are subdivided into 2 groups each, so you have a zone 6A and B, for instance. Cold tolerance is vital to plant survival, so it is best to err on the side of caution. Features. Tennessee is a long state, stretching nearly 500 miles east to west, but is not very deep, at less than 200 miles north to south. The state is also on the edge of zones 6 and 7, so there is a lot of variety in the hardiness zones. Geography. Much of Tennessee is in zone 6, which means the average low temperature is 10 below 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 0 degrees. The bottom part of the state is in zone 7, which means a minimum average temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 10 above.